Screencast-O-Matic has many tools that can be used to edit and enhance screencast recordings. This screencast will cover some of these tools and demonstrate how to export the final video and upload it to YouTube. To begin editing, launch Screencast-O-Matic and click on the previously created recording from the initial interface. In the first editing screen, trim the recording as desired. To do so, click and drag the handles at the beginning and end inwards. To access more in-depth editing options, click Edit from the options pop-up on the right. Click the Tools drop-down to open a list of available editing tools. Use the Cut tool to cut out an undesired section of the recording. This is useful for deleting mistakes. To cut, click and drag the red bar to select the region and then click OK. The Copy tool will duplicate a section if part of the recording needs to be repeated. To hide the mouse cursor or webcam so it doesn't appear in the final video, use the Hide tool. The Insert tool has many options. The New Recording option will prompt a new screencast recording for insertion. Existing recording will add a previously created recording, and Paste recording will insert a section previously selected with the Copy tool. Pauses and additional video files can also be added with the Insert tool. Use the Narrate tool to record new audio. This tool is helpful to correct mistakes in the original narration without affecting the video. To use the Narrate tool, click and drag the desired section for the new audio, then click Start to open the audio recording window. Adjust audio settings and click the Record button when ready to record. When done, click the Pause button and then Done. The new narration will overwrite the audio captured with the original recording. Add images, text, shapes, outlines, and more with the Overlay tool. Overlays are especially useful for highlighting details and directing attention. A common overlay is the Outline option. Use the Replace tool to re-record a section of the recording or to add a freeze frame. Speed up or slow down a selection with the Speed tool. Speeding up is a great way for moving through a long selection of the recording quickly, and slowing down is useful for sections that were recorded too fast in the original recording. Add a visual transition such as a fade with the Transition tool. Transitions are used to connect two different video clips or to show a gap in time. Select the desired type of transition in the blue pop-up that appears and adjust the duration as desired. Increase or decrease the volume of the recording with the Volume tool. When editing is complete, click the Done button to the right. The recording now needs to be published to create a fully edited video. Click the hamburger button to the top right of the Options pop-up and select the Video File option. Next, set the Publish options. Select MP4 as the type. Click the File Name option to rename the video. Click the folder to select a storage location. For Cursor option, choose No Cursor to have the cursor not display, Just Cursor to have the cursor display as normal, or Highlight Cursor to have a yellow circle follow the cursor and display when clicks are made. Ensure that Higher is selected for the quality. For smaller file size, a lower setting can be selected, but be aware that the quality will degrade. Click Publish when done. The publishing process will begin, which may take a while depending on the length of the recording. When complete, click OK. The recording is now an exported video. After a screencast has been recorded, edited, and published to a video, the next step is to share it by uploading to YouTube. Open a web browser and navigate to youtube.com. When there, log in with your PLU account. Click the Create a Video button to the top right and select Upload Video from the pop-up. Click Select Files to upload. Navigate to the storage location of the video published from Screencast-O-Matic and click Open. The upload process will begin. Adjust video settings as desired. Be sure to title the video with an appropriate name and set the desired sharing option. It may also be useful to add a description. When the upload's complete, click the Publish button. After it's fully processed, the video will be playable. The video can now be shared with your students or be brought into Edpuzzle to add interactivity. If you need help, please reach out to the PLUTO team for support.